Nature. Nature is everything around us that has not been made by humans. It includes the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the land we live on, along with trees, animals, mountains, rivers, and oceans. Nature is rich in beauty and life. When we see green forests, bright flowers, and clear blue skies, we often feel relaxed and refreshed. It brings peace to our minds and joy to our hearts. Nature is essential for our survival. Plants and trees provide the oxygen we need to live. Water comes from rain, rivers, and lakes. Even the food we eat depends on nature, because crops grow in soil and many foods come from plants and animals. Without nature, life on Earth could not exist. Nature also teaches us valuable lessons. It shows us patience as plants grow slowly over time, and it reminds us of strength and hard work through the steady flow of rivers. It also teaches balance, because every living thing depends on others. When people damage nature by cutting down trees, polluting water, and filling the air with smoke, the whole environment suffers. For this reason, we must care for nature to protect our future. We should plant more trees, save water, reduce pollution, and treat animals with kindness. By respecting nature, we can live healthier and happier lives. Nature is one of our greatest gifts, and it is our responsibility to protect it.